Hello, this is Colton with Aristatek, and today I'm going to be demonstrating how to set latitude and longitude with Tier2Submit. We will start by selecting a facility. As a note, latitude and longitude need to be in decimal degree format. We will provide a link to convert from other formats to decimal degrees if needed. I will now demonstrate how to set latitude and longitude by address. Please type in the facility's street address and then click the blue link to the left of the map. It will set the latitude and longitude to match that address. To fine-tune the facility's location, find it on the map using satellite view and hold the Shift key and left-click on the appropriate area of the map. You can also drag the blue pin on top of the facility. If a facility does not have a physical address, please type no address in the street field and fill out all the others. Then select Set Lat Long from address. The map will be updated near the city that was entered. Now I'm going to demonstrate how to set latitude and longitude with a concrete plant near the north end of Laramie. I prefer to start in Street View to find nearby intersections and street names. Then I move the map until I am near the facility's location. Now I'll switch to satellite view to get a better idea of exactly where the facility is. Again, Shift plus left-click the map to move the blue plane on top of the facility. Latitude and longitude is very important information to report accurately, and submitting them incorrectly may result in the report being rejected by local agents. That's it for this video. Thank you, and have a nice day.